The big 2021 World Robot Conference is held in Beijing from 10th September to 13th September. The event invites more than 300 top scientists from China and abroad, and also representatives from international organizations and enterprises. In addition, over 500 products from some 110 companies will be displayed at exhibitions during the event. Join Tech Factuala to explore this major event of the robot industry. The home robot Panda, the robot Einstein, humanoid robots, and robot dogs, as well as surgical robots, all of this and much more in today's episode. Before we dive in, welcome to Tech Factuala. In every video, we always bring something more eye-catching for you. So if you want to be part of the vast tech world, make sure to subscribe to the channel and watch this video till the end. During the event's opening ceremony, the 3 Chinese astronauts on board the Chang'e space station sent a video greeting to guests. They underlined the great influence of robotics on mankind in a variety of areas, including industrial production and many aspects of daily life. President Xi Jinping stated in a welcome letter to the first conference in 2015 that breakthroughs in the field of automation had contributed to society since the olden days. Now, robotics is a thriving sector represented by the smart manufacturing business, and it is an important monument to modern society, technology, and creativity. China has made robotics and smart manufacturing a research development priority. It is willing to work with foreign peers to build better robots to serve the people and the nation's development, according to Xi. This year's exhibition area will have 3 key areas on industrial robots, service robots, and specialized robots. More than 500 technologies from around 110 companies are on exhibit, ranging from cleaning drones to anti-explosive inspection robots. Another important exhibition area will highlight the most modern technological advances in robotic parts and how the deployment of robots is transforming fields such as health, life sciences, and agriculture. During this year's conference, the 2021 World Robot Contest Championship will also be placed. Engineer teams will compete to build robotic appendages and medical rehabilitation robots, as well as innovative algorithms to better human-machine interaction. This is one of China's largest competitions of its own sort. Since its launch in 2015, it has attracted over 15,000 participants from over 20 countries. Now, let's get started to discuss each robot one by one. Coming in at number 1, we have Robot Panda. The real star of the show was the Robot Panda from UB Tech. In fact, the company attached the head of the animal, symbolizing China, to start its domestic robot walker. The robot is 1.5 meters tall and weighs 77 kilograms and is very versatile, as it can play the piano and chess, also do tai chi and write and draw pictures. The Panda can also massage people and do regular housework, deftly handling refrigerators, coffee makers, and vacuum cleaners as a service robot. Walker himself was also at the show, but performed for some reason in an isolation box. Okay, at number 2 we have Robot Einstein. At the same time, other androids participated in the event, such as the Albert Einstein look-alike imitating the famous German scientist, who answered a variety of questions from visitors to the exhibition about science and technology. According to the manufacturer DS Doll Robotics, the company has artificial intelligence that allows it to recognize speech and answer questions correctly. It's proposed that it'll work in museums and exhibition centers. The company also brought its Gynoid with expressive gestures and limited communication capabilities to the show. Such robots are the company's flagship product, specializing in service robots and robots for adults. Okay, at number 3 we have an Opti Service robot. A robot from the Chinese company Terminus Group worked as a guide for visitors to the exhibition. Robots are popular at events in China and beyond. For example, at the Expo 2021 Dubai, where 152 of these chubby orange robots will be involved. The smart machines will greet and interact with visitors, respond to information requests, and provide food and beverage delivery services. Alright, moving on to number 4, we have an Exoskeleton robot. EME brought smart knee support solutions and other parts of the Iron Man suit to the show. The startup solutions increase strength and endurance without you having to adjust the products as needed. In addition, the e-knees themselves guess your intentions and increase the degree of support based on it. The company also showed off its exoskeleton for astronaut lifeguards and workers. The adjustable device fits any physique and helps the wearer lift and hold significant weights. At number 5, we have a surgical robot. A live demonstration of robotic orthopedic surgery was the real hit of the conference, equipped with an optical tracking system. The mechanical arm controlled by the main computer console skillfully performed surgery on a human spine model. The process was guided by the Beijing Tenavi Medical Technologies telemedicine service. At the exhibition, representatives of the company said that their system already allows physicians of a Beijing hospital specializing in orthopedics to successfully perform telesurgical operations on patients, not only in China, but other countries as well. The New Zealand company Can Do Robotics has also brought its robotic system for laparoscopic surgery to China. The medical robot is also controlled remotely and can perform precise and complex operations with the least trauma to the surrounding tissue. The intuitive surgical Da Vinci surgical robot was presented at the exhibition. The Chinese company IMO showed their surgical console and allowed visitors to try it for themselves and the surgeon's role. At number 6, we have a space station robotic arm. One of the stars of the conference was the giant robotic arm of the Chinese space station. It was developed by China's Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation, CASC. The smart arm has already helped them complete 2 space missions. The 10-meter-long device has high mobility and can generate motion algorithms according to the astronauts' tasks and requirements with the help of its processor. The robot arm can move objects outside the space station, capture and install various devices on cargo spacecraft, and many other things. Also on display was a Luna sampling robot arm, China's first smart space robotic arm with fully independent intellectual property rights and real-world engineering applications. Okay friends, I hope you're enjoying this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel Tech Factuala to watch more amazing videos in the future. If you have any questions so far, tell us in the comments below. At number 7, we have a NurseBot. Another unusual robot at the exhibition was the so-called NurseBot. It is a robotic wheelchair that can take non-walking people to the bathroom, or specifically the toilet, independently and take them back to bed. Developers see great potential in robots like this as fewer and fewer young people want to do this kind of work. Okay, we move now to number 8, Digital Factory. At the exhibition, Samsung presented the design of its existing digital factory. The factory is autonomous in everything from management to production. This ensures the manufacturer against the wrong decisions of incompetent managers and guarantees them complete confidentiality of information and protection of trade secrets. Before launching, the factory is coached and trained in a simulation that ensures that there are no development errors in real-world environments. Okay, at number 9, Unity Deep Robotics Invention. And of course, the exhibition in China could not do without the booths of Unity Robotics Deep Robotics. Their robots entertained the audience and demonstrated the capability of mobile robotics. Coming in at number 10, we have Cyberdog and Robot Shark. Cyberdog from Xiaomi also showed its face at the exhibition. The robot now actively travels around China, advertising itself and the company. Robot Shark. The Robot Shark presented robots for exploring the sea's depths. A deep-sea drone for scientists and the military. Robot Shark and small underwater vehicles, including decorative robots for home swimming pools and decorating retail areas. They don't need to be fed or cleaned up afterward. So, as you can see, the robots are displacing more than just humans. Alright, moving on to number 11, we have a novel automatic cooking robot. A robot for the kitchen helped prepare traditional Chinese dishes, and it's true that people still have to put the ingredients in. The purpose of many of these robots at the show was to simply entertain the audience. At number 12, we have Audience Entertainment Robot. A white humanoid robot for theaters demonstrated the possibility of precise remote control, but only so far with hands. A manipulator for humanoid hands from Kawasaki played the piano. Disinfector robots tried to please people more at the expense of smiling faces. So did Padbot's clever service robots winking at visitors. A sophisticated service robot poured drinks into a plastic cup, and we couldn't find any details about it, but from the photo, the robot looks a lot like the clever robot barista Orion Star, whose body was replaced with a humanoid dummy and the dexterous grips on his hands with not very skillful 5-fingered brushes. Finally, at number 13, we have a service robot. Yukawa Shanghai Robot showed an intelligent humanoid-looking robotic assembly system that clearly wanted to please visitors. The soft robot's flexible robotic arm poured tea into cups. There's a boom in robotic events all around the world right now. With this, it is time to wrap up the list of the unveiled robots from World Expo 2021. I hope that you found this list quite informative and also satisfactory. If you like the content, share it with your friends and tell us which robot you like the most by adding your thoughts in the comments. Keep watching Tech Factuala for more interesting lists and updates on technology by subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video. Bye!